Hey, welcome to Lady Tradie. I know it's been a little while since I've put up a new video, but life has been hectic and busy and things have gotten in the way. So I'm just doing a quick one today of something I didn't plan to make a video on, but it's something that I've done in my house and the kids and I really enjoy it and we get a lot of use out of it, so I thought I would share. And what it is just converting my son's old crib or cot, as we call them in Australia, into a little seat so that we can sit down at night before bed and have a cuddle and read some books. I haven't done anything special here, and if you look online there's heaps of different cot conversions into cool things. All I've done is lower the mattress to the lowest setting and removed the side that moves up and down. And you can do this with any cot. Just remove one of the sides. You can fill in the holes where it was screwed together. You can get little white round stickers that you can cover them with or fill them in using filler. Totally up to you. And then make a really nice little seat. We get tons of use out of this every night and the kids absolutely love it. All four of us squeeze on here and have a nice little cuddle before bed. Now, you can use any kind of cushions. So I've just recycled some cushions that we used to use previously somewhere else in the house. I covered these myself, but obviously you don't need to do that. Any cushions will do. The one at the back, two big regular pillows fit really nicely here. So if you don't have a piece of foam that you can cover, which is what I've used here, you can just grab two regular size bed pillows and have some matching or contrasting or whatever you really like that fits in with the decorations in your home. I've used a piece of foam, so I've just gone down to a local rubber store, got a piece of foam cut to size and covered it with the same material that I've used on the cushions. But like I said, this is all just recycled from a different project I've had in a different house, and it's just worked really nicely in here. So have some fun, be creative and see how it turns out for you. I hope you get as much enjoyment as we have.